Oh, you know, and oh my god, the blue might be better. Plus me and every okay, uh, yes, there we go. Go to body. We are creating the same thing. You see what's wearing this? There we go. Double don't anything. Oh, yes, no. The anime blue and of course the intimidating face looks awesome, but I don't know. Yes, how are you supposed to afford this? Because I have extra. He doesn't. This one is gonna be perfect. Alright, blue his left arm, blue as well. His right arm, blue. No. Okay, that's mine. Then that used to go back to him. And the t-shirt thing is nothing. Well, well, one. So yeah, if I'm not using the exact same, let's just say I know this. Maybe it's not everything. Okay, this one is the pants and animation. Clear. No, it's not even working. I'm already confused. You know, but if you, this one is supposed to be perfect, and we have the blue dot in the pockets, and I think I lost it because I think it costs more and more bucks, I think, which means one thing, my own cousin. But you can see, I realized that my cousin over here has 17 subs. So when we go here into my own channel named Case, guys, please subscribe to Case. Oh, that. Okay, this one is my own channel. This is my own channel, guys. And I've been working with Angela for more than a week, I think. So, yeah, this is actually not my first time. It's been like a while because I show up on the cookie shop, okay? So just wait. By the way, guys, thank you for 33 subscribers to my own channel. So, yeah. This is not my goal, okay? I accidentally asked at that. It's supposed to be 100, just only 100, so that I can finally get my one and only play button. Yeah, play button. This one is more popular. Just look, I've added more animations over here. Don't mind this. By the way, guys, this is not my face because I'm wearing a mask and a hat because I was sick. It's supposed to be blurred, and let's just say I got sick too much. Like, because I keep coughing non-stop, so you better watch all the things. This one, let's just say
in my car right after.
Okay, this is what happened. He just said what? And hold up, guys. What were you going to say? Wait, let's see. Go and find. Oh my god, I remember this. Oh, the guys, I'm controlling this. Oh my god. You went in that school. Well, I get this. I really want to go with oh my god. Oh, well, he's still going home at 1. Oh, at 1 p.m. he's going to go home. So, by the way, it's just 27. It's just 7:47. Yeah. Alright. We're going to try that cry emote. Which, okay, there we go. There. Now,
It's a wonderful life. Please could you kiss my name?
right. Wait, wait. I think my idea is perfect. Hold up. Remember the one. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm going to comment it. Oh, thank you. Alright, let's just see. This is my video. This is very, very fast. Oh my god. I told you guys, this one is me, okay? I got you evidence over here. Oh wait, I'm okay. No, I'm gonna add question mark at home so that we can see what does my own question do. Can you comment in every video that you make? Hmm. Oh, let's just see what this question is. My own video that he posted it that I have to delete it immediately, guys. So I'm getting revenge. This is payback. Oh my god. So there we go. Guys, I'll pause this in like this. You guys can pause and read this, okay? You were in jail. How did you eat there, guys? Wait.